Hey guys, I wanted to show you how easy these microphones are to use, and the brand did send me some free ones so I could check it out. So to use them, it's quite simple. You're simply going to connect in one of three different ways you can see over here. I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate on this iPad. You're simply going to plug it into the bottom of your phone or iPad. You can also plug it into a camera or a different device. Next, you're going to power on pressing this button over here and holding it down. You can see it's powering up. Now you're just going to press and hold this button up here. There you go. Now they are linking together. Now this light here is going to represent noise reduction, and you can turn it off by pressing here. Pressing twice, you're going to mute, and pressing 3 times, you're going to have reverb. So they're easy to use. They provide crystal clear sound. They have a good range, and I would definitely recommend these for anyone who needs a microphone for their phone, tablet, action camera, or a regular camera.